Now, for nearly 2 years, doctors have been focusing on fighting and treating COVID. But what about the flu? In 2020, there was a substantial drop in confirmed cases all across the nation, thanks in part to masks. And with the new flu season right around the corner, doctors say there are a few things we should keep in mind to try and keep those numbers low.
12 News reporter Christiana Ramos talked with healthcare professionals. She's live with what we need to do to prepare this year.
Yeah, Jordan, the flu has not only been out of minds, it's been largely out of sight. According to the CDC, between late September 2020 and just last month, flu-related hospitalizations are the lowest on record.
Last flu season, the CDC reported a little over 2,000 lab-confirmed cases of influenza in the U.S. That's compared to the estimated 38 million in 2019. This had many people wondering, does the flu still exist?
Flu is still present. Actually, there are some cases already happening in our community.
Eiley with Baptist Hospitals of Southeast Texas believes last year's low level of flu transmission was largely due to protective measures people took to reduce the spread of COVID-19.
Flu is a respiratory virus. And just like COVID and any other respiratory viruses, when you have a physical barrier like a mask on, it helps prevent droplets from escaping.
While all this may be good news, there are still concerns ahead of this flu season.
A few months ago, we saw a huge uptick in RSV. So you test for all of that, and that will help you decide what to do. A lot of the signs and symptoms are very overlapping because they're all respiratory viruses.
COVID vaccination distribution and laxed restrictions leads to more people returning back to in-person work or learning. So scientists have had to make this year's flu vaccine even stronger.
So there's usually 2 variants of the A strain and 2 variants of the B strand that make up the flu vaccine, so they are both in there.
Eiley says last season's low number of flu cases is also making it difficult to predict what this season will be like.
Just encouraging people in the population to really get vaccinated for flu season. It's not going away. Flu is still here. It happens every year.
Keep in mind, the COVID vaccine does not protect you against the flu. The flu shot will be available to the public as soon as possible. In the meantime, Eiley says to keep doing what the pandemic has taught us. Wash your hands and mask up. Christiana Ramos, 12 News.